Hey, V-Gates, everybody. It's Mike with Squatchy Reviews. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. Just going to plow right through it. We got this a couple days ago. We're just going to go and open up the box and see what we got as we go through it. All right, so I'm just going to show you the jacket real quick. I like looking at the boxes of things because a good box made well usually purports a good product on the inside. So, you know what I mean? If it's a well-made box and it gives you confidence in the item that you're buying. So yeah, there's nothing spectacular about the outside of this box, but it has a nice jacket. There you go. You got a little foam dealy bob to protect the camera, which is the first thing we see when we open it up. So this is the camera portion, and this is the floodlight portion. It's kind of got a frosty lens cover over the LEDs. It's not clear. Kind of, you can hear that kind of frosted coating. It's not a coating, it's just the way it's made. Yeah, so there we go. That's the unit. It's got some protective plastic on it. There's the base. There's the charging port. I'll set that to the side. And you can see that's not really that big. So it's not like this huge thing on the side of your house. So that's pretty cool. All right, what else we got in here? Charging cable. Very important. Did I show that? Charging cable. Okay. And the adapter for the charger. What else we got in here? Looks like the mounting base plate. This feels heavy. This is the battery. Take out some more of the cardboard packing materials. Oh, what do we got here? Well, some hardware for the mounting plate. And see if I can get to that. There we go. Safety rules. Just keep going. Okay, and that's it. Oh, that's it. Mount your camera on a stable, supportive surface. Definitely important. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the stuff that came with it. The Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. Base plate. Charging adapter, charging cord, which is it's a mini USB. Just trying to focus on it. Yeah, mini USB and regular USB. Didn't come with instructions. Hardware, the battery we already talked about. Where's the instructions? Or is it all online? I'm gonna pause this for a second, folks. All right, so I opened up this little plastic envelope. Also comes with a little sticker. Shows protected by Arlo. This is yeah, it's just a regular sticker. And then there's this inside there, inside that little plastic envelope. Shows you how to deal with this guy, and what you're going to do is you're going to download the app, which I haven't done yet, and then you follow the app instructions to add and mount your floodlight. And I'm sure there's going to be a part where I will need to charge the battery, but this is where you go to do the find the how-tos and whatnot. That's it. Just really 6 things in the box, and they are all there. So I should add a video later on putting it up, or at the very least using it. So that's the unboxing of the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. Thanks everyone for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. I will greatly appreciate it. And hope you have a great one. Stay safe out there, folks. Mask up.